Hi, this is Bill. So, created this video because a lot of you has been struggling on how to remove an account from a Microsoft Teams app on Mac. So, I went to follow the steps basically that has also worked for me. So, it's quite simple and straightforward. So, but not for everyone. That's one of the reasons I created this video. So once you move and go to your apps folder, which I'm showing now. So upon navigating to this folder, all you need to do is right click and new terminal folder. So now once you choose this field here, it takes you to a terminal like this one. And so these are the commands that you need to run, right? So basically, once you launch that, after right-clicking this icon here on Microsoft Teams, so it will take you to this window. Will basically, assuming you already encountered that your old Microsoft account is forcing you to log in, which you don't have access to, and you would like to log in with a new account. And what it does is once you run this code, it will automatically sign out from Windows and it will allow you to sign in with the new credentials. So it is quite a few steps, simple ones. So let me walk you through again. Go to the applications, then make sure the Microsoft Teams is highlighted, right click and do a new terminal at folder. And as it takes you to this window, basically, it will take you to this page here, right? I mean, this window and up to this line, and you need to type in sudo space rm dash rf space teams, and it will prompt you with your password, right? So I didn't notice that it has restarted or not restarted. It has automatically signed out already my teams, and that's why I've done it twice, but it wouldn't be necessary, and it will take you to that window. And I'm successful to my re-logged in basically, and went to my Teams account and logged in with my new credentials. Thank you very much. I hope it helps you as well.